Tired of Roblox being banned in your country? Getting unplayable lag in PUBG Mobile? Or maybe your school Wi-Fi blocks games entirely? A gaming VPN isn't just for privacy. It's your secret weapon to bypass bans, crush lag, and even play games early. Today, I'll show you how VPN gives you the fastest, safest gaming experience on iOS and Android. Let's get started. Firstly, let's talk about the top reasons for using a VPN in gaming. Number 1. Bypass IP bans. Ever been blocked from playing games by your school or an entire country? A VPN can help you jump over these hurdles. Number 2. Smooth gaming with less lag. Tired of lag ruining your gaming experience? VPNs connect you to speedy servers, ironing out lag and fixing those pesky high ping issues. Number 3. Play some games early. Excited about trying out new game releases early? With a VPN, you can teleport your IP to regions with early access to beta versions, letting you dive in ahead of the crowd. Number 4. Security and privacy. VPNs do more than just hide your IP address. They cloak all your online moves, shielding your identity from cyber baddies and steering clear of DDoS attacks. Number 5. Avoid ISP throttling. Sick of your ISP slowing down your gaming groove? A VPN keeps your online actions hidden from prying eyes, ensuring smooth mobile gaming without any annoying delays, no matter where you play. Now let's show you how UFO VPN works for mobile gaming. Click the link in the description to get UFO VPN app on your device. Then launch it on your phone. Tap on location option and head to gaming. Find the game you want to boost, then choose a server to connect. After connection, launch your game on your device and enjoy it smoothly. Please note, if there is no game you're playing, you can choose a server directly in the location option. Wondering why UFO VPN stands out as your ultimate gaming companion? Let's break it down for you. Security first. Embracing a no-logs policy, end-to-end encryption, and a trusty kill switch. Next, global reach. With a vast network of 2,000 plus servers across 50 countries, including specialized lines for streaming and gaming. Last, need for speed. Featuring built-in speed checks and connection accelerators, UFO VPN harnesses advanced protocols to fine-tune for optimal speed automatically. Ready to game without limits. Grab UFO VPN free below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.